Hey, just wanted to show you. See out there, that cone right out there? There's a bird. It's called a killdeer. Can you hear her? I'm going to show you her egg. She's pissed. She's like, please don't come near me. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay, Mama. I'm going to show them your egg. Please don't bite me. It's okay. I just want to show them your egg. She's got one little bitty egg. Where is it? There it is, right there. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know, I can't really see it too well. There it is. Pretty cool. It's a big old egg. So we're gonna leave her alone. She's way out there in the field. She's acting like she's injured, so I'll come chase her instead of playing with her egg. I'm not going to touch it. You go back to your cage or back to your bed. So they're really cool birds. So last year she had a nest right over here, and this year she's got one there, and I have the cone there so that nobody runs over her little egg. And she's all the way up there. Let's see if we can find her. Right there. She's up there pretending like she's injured, so I'll come get her. So I'll leave her little eggy alone. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.